If any person had entered the masjid and he did not pray Tahiyyat al-Masjid, he must get up and do Tahiyyat al-Masjid unless the iqamah of the prayer was on. Even if you have entered the Jumu'ah prayer into a masjid and the imam is delivering his khutbah and you sat down, you forgot, you must stand up. This is Hadith Sulaik ibn Ghatafan. Sulaik al-Ghatafani, companion who came to the Jumu'ah, Prophet of Allah was delivering the khutbah and he sat down. So the Prophet of Allah said, Sulaik, yes, Messenger of Allah. He said, did you pray 2 rak'ah? He said, no, Messenger of Allah. He said, get up. So he sat down, he said, get up and pray 2 rak'ah and make them light. Prophet of Allah asked him in front of everybody to show that it's important, it is allowed for the khatib to speak to the people who are being addressed in the khutbah al-Jumu'ah. Number 2, to show that the person, if he sat down, did not pray Tahiyyat al-Masjid, it doesn't mean that the Tahiyyat al-Masjid is gone. No, still on you. That's why he told him to stand up. Thirdly, Prophet ﷺ asked him as well, maybe this person could have prayed somewhere else, in another corner which the Prophet did not see in Tahiyyat al-Masjid. Then he came in front of the Prophet and he sat down. So this is always the clarification. Shows us as well that the person who is in the khutbah is allowed to talk to the khatib, but is not allowed to talk to anybody else. All of these benefits from this hadith. Yes, you must get up and pray 2 rak'ah, Tahiyyat al-Masjid. Tfaddal.
Sheikh, is it wajib for someone to attend the Jama'ah prayer?
Is it wajib to attend the Jama'ah?